Avika. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you're not, then what are you? Are you crazy? You're watching me. Well, if you are, I love you so much. So let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Avika. I'm 25 years old doing a corporate job, and my corporate job is not easy because I do night shifts almost every freaking day. Well, I'm not complaining because it's earning me money, but it's getting a toll on my health. I lost 20 kgs back in 2023 when I was diagnosed with PCOD, and later I just gained all back once I shifted to this new project where it was all night shift kind of situation. So I gained almost 15 kgs. It's more than half of what I lost, and now I'm back to that PCOD girl. I do not feel okay about this, okay? Because once you taste that healthy body, you will always crave that because you feel lighter, you feel amazing, and you just want to get back to the shape. So here is my journey. I'm going to share you, I'm going to walk you through my journey to how I can lose weight. So giving you a flashback, in 2020 I started my baking channel, not like Instagram page, and I got really famous by 2022. I was about to hit 50k. I was getting brand collaborations and all that stuff, and I was just 22-year-old kid, and it was amazing. It was a good lifestyle, honestly. I was like a celebrity of my college kind of situation back then. So it was amazing. It was happening. It was all good stuff. But then in August 2022, my page got hacked. I was really depressed, and to channel on my energy, I started a new page, thinking that, oh, this is not me, nothing can stop me. I will be the best version of myself again, and I'll gain all that followers. Well, it did not happen because inside I was not healing. I was really traumatized. So I decided to take a break and heal myself. But my content journey has been up and down since then. So while this happened, I was also diagnosed with PCOD. So what happened was, one day I had a very severe pain in my lower abdomen, and I went to the hospital. They hospitalized me and told me, well, Avika, you might have what do we call that? I don't remember anymore. That small thing. Now I remember. So they said, Avika, you have appendix. We need to operate you right now, or you can die. They talked to my parents on call, and they were like, oh, we need to operate her and all that stuff. But my mother and my father were little sensible in that situation, and they said, well, we're gonna come and we're gonna check. So first they told me that get out of this hospital because they might be looting you. And then I went out of this hospital, took a private sonography or ultrasound, and I got to know that I had kidney stones. But it was not the shocking part. I actually had PCOD, and that doctor told me, okay, nothing is wrong with you. You just got to lose weight. Why? They asked me whether my periods were normal or not. Well, it was. It always has been. Even though I had PCOD, my periods have been the best. They come on the same day, they last for 5-6 days, and it's all good, okay? So I never understood that I had PCOD until I got it checked. So if you might be one of like me also, like it's not always like you will have irregular periods. So I got a dietitian, and my dietitian helped me lose 10 kgs of weight. And then I started losing weight on my own because I started understanding my body, how it works. I started playing badminton, going to the gym, walking, all that good stuff. And I was at my healthiest weight. And also I was feeling really amazing, energized, and very happy, honestly. So like I almost lost more than 20 kgs on a serious note. So it was really looking this beautiful. I will insert one picture of her hair and one picture of her hair for comparison. And hey, I'm back. I gained 15 kgs after all night shift. So now here I am again. And I want to be like this person or even less, because why not? Weight lose karna is a good thing. Until unless aap mehnat karke kar rahe ho, and it's not because of a disease, okay? So I just wanted to lose weight, and I did. And meanwhile, it was not all of that. Like, वो जब आप lose कर लेते हो ना, you just start feeling like, okay, it's not just about losing weight, it's about your mental health. It just gets better. You feel better. You communicate better. You make a lot of friends, and it's just a good habit, honestly. because once you start losing weight, you gain confidence next level, I'm telling you. And then you make lots of good friends. It's just a good happening life, honestly. So I did not share this journey of mine to anyone because I was very ashamed to tell anyone. Okay, Avika is doing this and she lost this. No, like I am a very outgoing person, but I'm shy in some of the topics. Like I do not want to talk about my weight and all that stuff. But for your reference, for the first time, I'm telling you, I hit 94 kgs. Then I went to 74 kgs. Right now, I am at 89 kgs. Okay, so this is my journey to be back to 74 kgs. It's gonna be hard, it's gonna be tough, but I know I'm prepared. All right, so I'm gonna share my journey with you every Sunday, hopefully, if I be consistent. Okay, since now I have gained weight, so what is going to be my approach? Well, first of all, high protein diet. Well, you must have heard every freaking influencer tell you high protein diet. Well, it works to a certain level. But for me, honestly, my dietitian never gave me high protein diet. She was more concerned about my calorie deficit, but I should not feel like I am not full. So she gave me lots of different variations of food so that I do not get bored of eating and of course being calorie deficit, right? And she also allowed me to have maybe cheat meal or two on Saturday and Sunday because यार लाइफ भी जीनी होती है थोड़ी बहुत, ऑलराइट. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको बस स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट करते जाना है और परेशान होते जाना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हो तो मेरे जैसा इंसान तो नहीं कर सकता है. आई डू नॉट लाइक रेस्ट्रिक्शंस दैट मच. आई वांट टू बी कंसिस्टेंट. आई एम कंसिस्टेंट पर्सन अगर मैं एक बार चालू कर दूँ. बट उससे पहले द डील ब्रेकर इज और टाई ब्रेकर इज कि भाई पहले वो थोड़ा इजी होना चाहिए एंड देन आई ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट डूइंग इट वंस आई स्टार्ट लविंग इट. So for first 10 kgs, I was just focused on calorie deficit and walking. I did not go to gym. Okay. For the second half, I actually became more concerned about my protein because I wanted to gain muscles and I do not wanted to have this loose skin, obviously. So I started having high protein diet. I went to the gym. I played badminton. Had a lot of walking in, and I was losing weight like crazy. And I actually was looking very pretty. Honestly, I'm telling you, I felt the prettiest that time. The second point that I'm gonna focus is start moving my body. For example, I love doing yoga, so I've started doing 30 minutes or more than that of yoga. So what I do basically is I started with 21 Surya Namaskars. Now I'm at 27, and I also do Shirshasana and other stuff. It really helps me. It really motivates me because it's little easier for me, and also kind of I enjoy it. So just take an activity that you enjoy and start moving your body. Maybe it's dance, maybe it's badminton or whatsoever. You can do everything. Trust me, just start it, okay? Once you start enjoying it, you won't miss a day. I'm telling you. So pick a habit that you really enjoy. It can be simple as walking also. So I've decided to walk at least 7 to 12k step. It's a range because I do not want to force myself to walk 10 like what do we say 10k every day, but like it's a restrictive it just sounds restrictive to me, so I do not want to do that for myself. But if it's something that works for you, you feel like okay, if I tell myself like this and I feel committed, then good for you, go. I would be the happiest person if you do that because we will be in this together. That sounds better. My third point is I generally weigh my food. So whatever I'm having, whatever portion I'm having, I just weigh my food because it's little easier to calorie track. And trust me, calorie tracking na 24 घंटे नहीं करना है. You can have this basic range. Okay, I had this to this and this much protein I had. Maybe like a range you should know कि तुम क्या खा रहे हो, क्या चीज़ें हैं, and it's better to cook your own meal. So what I do is I basically meal prep for a week and then I just like write it down, jot it down, maybe take help from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is my buddy, honestly, my best friend for this moment, trust me. So what I do is I ChatGPT everything. I tell him that okay, I'm vegetarian, hey, this, and it just gives me a personalized thing for me to have for breakfast, for dinner, for lunch, and it's amazing. So you can do this for an entire week and then you can just meal prep yourself and you're sorted for a week. So if you want, I can just share 1 or 2 weeks plan that you can follow, but not everything works for everyone, so you have to keep that in mind. The fourth point, of course, जिसकी वजह से मेरा weight gain हुआ है. It's like why I gained weight again. So it was like a stagnant lifestyle, and my sleep cycle was murdered by me. Trust me, I just murdered my sleep cycle. I was sleeping like inconsistently. कभी रात में सो रही हूँ, कभी दिन में सो रही हूँ, कभी सो ही नहीं रही हूँ, and it just caused a lot of panic in my body. So this is also something that you do not want to do. And do not starve yourself, because once you start starving yourself, your body do not react in a good way. So that is all, guys. These are the 4 major points that I'm gonna keep in mind so that I do not gain weight once again, and I hope I'm able to lose weight by end of this year. So if you are someone like me and you want to join my journey, please consider subscribing me. Okay, bye guys.